Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Realty One Group, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Realty One Group website. Locate the Join Us or Get Started button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to the registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Next, provide your phone number for contact purposes. Select your preferred office location from the drop-down menu. Review any additional questions or fields that need to be completed. Once all information is filled out, read the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Submit button to send your registration. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting. Open your email inbox and look for the confirmation message. Click the link in the confirmation email to verify your account. Return to the Realty One Group website. Log in using your email address and the password you created. Complete any additional onboarding steps as prompted. Congratulations, you are now registered with Realty One Group. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.